guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna Watson, if you're not aware. And today's my birthday. I turned 25 at 2:06 this morning. Woohoo! I'm in my mid-20s. I still can't believe it. So I worked all day. Normally on my birthday, before I got a job, I would stay up till 2:06 on the dot and just say happy birthday to myself, basically. And be like, yep, however many years old. I've even done it when I was in high school and middle school. So, this year, the only thing I ever asked for my birthday, as you can see, I'm just playing with the ribbon, was a Dr. Pepper mini beverage center. Or, I call it a mini fridge for my Dr. Pepper. And I've been drinking Dr. Pepper for God knows how long. I would say since I was young. And no, it's not sponsored or affiliated. My parents bought this for me. They bought it at Walmart. At the time, there was like a few, and that's when I told them, oh, I want this for my birthday. And as it got lower and lower, like, a lot of people also like Dr. Pepper, which is not shocking, but also a little bit shocking, is that there was only one left at the time. This was, I would say, April or May. And I was like, Mom, Dad, there's only one left. And it's like 30 freaking bucks, so it's not that bad. And I'm like so happy. I love it. So here it be. It's so small, but it's only meant to like hold 6 cans, which is fine by me. Why is there a card after this? Better just be and I'm gonna unbox it. Better just be a freaking plug, like a normal plug, cause that would just suck. Mini beverage refrigerator. And there we go. The other half is Spanish. Okay. I'll clean it up. Meep. Oh yeah, it is supposed to be thin. But look how cute. So happy. I love it so much. No. And yep. My guess is it's inside. And yes, I'm doing all of that because I watch Nerdy Craft too. So I've never, ever had a mini fridge before. So this is my very first one. It is so gosh darn cute. So that's cool. That's cool. Oh, it smells. So you turn this little knob to open it. And it smells bad. So please. So yeah. It does come with a regular plug, which I'm happy about. So if I ever took it camping or something, which I highly doubt, I'd use this thing. But I'm gonna use this to plug it in. I'm not gonna keep it up here. I have a special little place for it. Like I made a space for it under at like the very bottom of my desk. So, and I'm also gonna put like the cord outside of like underneath it, and so I can plug it into my power outlet. But I just gotta remember to keep this freaking thing stocked. And lucky for me, I don't have a full case, I should say, like a full 12-pack of it. I drink like Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar now. I love it because it tastes like Dr. Pepper, but there's zero sugar to it. And they came out with it at a good point in time when I was like drinking two 24-packs of Dr. Pepper within 2 weeks. And that was when I was working for Walmart. But yeah. It's so beautiful. That is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna post pictures of it. Take out the white piece before using. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna be posting pictures on Facebook of my mini fridge. I'm so happy. I don't want to damage the outside of it because it looks so pretty. Just so I could get this freaking sticker off. I wish Dr. Pepper like sold some stickers. Oh lordy Lou. If they sold like all kinds, I would be buying them all. I wouldn't care. And if they had pins, I'd be collecting them all. That's how much I love Dr. Pepper. Like, again, it's not sponsored, it's not affiliated. I wish. I'm just a little YouTuber that just loves their brand. I drank Dr. Pepper since I was a kid. You know, I got the mini fridge to keep it nice and cool. So, instructions said to leave it in the off position for like 5 minutes and then switch it on to cool. So, yeah. Alright. See you guys in the next video. That's it. That's pretty much it. I know I've been saying that, I'll post this review. I'll post this review on my other YouTube channel, which is the Book Nerd, which is just me reviewing books on that channel, and that's specifically what it's for. And if I feel like posting like little snippets of the upcoming chapters, stuff. Okay, that was me. But yeah. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!